3rd, 2014, Pamela Zimmerman failed to come home from work. She was reported as a missing person in the morning of November 4th, 2015. The Bloomington Police Department responded to Pamela's last known location, her business at 2103 East Washington. When officers arrived, they found Pamela deceased, the victim of an apparent homicide. This morning, at approximately 7:17, Kirk Zimmerman, Pamela Zimmerman's ex-husband, was arrested for her murder. He was taken into custody without incident. This case has proven to be complex and challenging. Despite the scene of the crime being in a business at a highly visible public location, there were no known eyewitnesses. Early investigative efforts did not clearly identify a suspect. The Criminal Investigation Division set up a dedicated team of detectives who directed all of their efforts towards this case. There have been literally thousands of hours invested on the investigation of Pamela's death. It became clear early on, conventional methods of investigation were not going to be enough to solve this case. While they serve as a foundation for much of what we learned, a lot of what we know now is based on information that was not even available a few years ago. As this case progressed, we began to develop and utilize new and innovative investigative techniques to develop evidence. New training and equipment was obtained to further our efforts. As a result, our detectives have developed an unprecedented amount of data and information. The development and examination of the data has taken a significant amount of time, often delayed by various legal processes along the way. Vast amounts of physical evidence had to be forensically tested, something that is time-consuming and that cannot be rushed. Despite an arrest being made, we consider the case ongoing.
And I would reiterate what Chief said, that at this time, Kirk Zimmerman is presumed innocent, and the burden of proving otherwise rests with the state's attorney's office. At this point, with Mr. Zimmerman in custody, we will be filing in one count by information of first-degree murder. We're going to be going forward in a bond hearing tomorrow at 1 at the McLean County Courthouse. And then after that, we'll be proceeding to grand jury.